Hey everyone, if Kapwing is taking a long time to render your videos, getting stuck during processing, or exporting much slower than expected, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Kapwing's slow rendering issues in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Kapwing is a cloud-based video editor, a slow or unstable connection can significantly increase rendering and export times. If possible, switch to a faster network before continuing. Next, reduce the size of your project if it's very large. Long videos, high-resolution footage, multiple layers, and heavy effects can all increase rendering time. Another common fix is closing unnecessary browser tabs and background applications. This frees up system resources and helps your browser run more efficiently while working with Kapwing. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may not perform as well with modern video editing tools and cloud-based processing. And that's how to fix Kapwing's slow rendering problems in 2026. In most cases, improving your connection, simplifying the project, updating your browser, or waiting for server traffic to decrease will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.